On Prime Minister Narendra Modi's meeting with the chief ministers of all states. This is going to be a key meeting on the lockdown, and it's happening at 11 a.m. India Today has got exclusive details of today's meet. Sources have told us that Prime Minister Modi will take stock of state-specific efforts in the containment of coronavirus. The Prime Minister is also expected to discuss a plan of action after the second leg of the lockdown ends on May 3rd. States are also expected to raise their concerns with the Prime Minister with regards to the lockdown. Nearly 10 chief ministers may speak at the meet. This will be the fourth such meeting since the imposition of the lockdown back in March. Now, the Prime Minister has been interacting with the people on the lockdown time and again. Yesterday, while addressing the people through his monthly radio program Mann Ki Baat, Prime Minister Modi hailed the state governments for their efforts in battling coronavirus, saying that they've played an active and important role so far. Here's an excerpt of the Prime Minister's message.
और मैं हमारे देश की राज्य सरकारों की भी इस बात के लिए प्रशंसा करूंगा कि वो इस महामारी से निपटने में बहुत सक्रिय भूमिका निभा रही है। स्थानीय प्रशासन, राज्य सरकारें जो जिम्मेदारी निभा रही हैं, उसकी कोरोना के खिलाफ लड़ाई में बहुत बड़ी भूमिका है। उनका ये परिश्रम बहुत प्रशंसनीय है।
So we'll be tracking the story very, very closely, but let's also tell you about the Ministry of Home Affairs order which allowed shops selling non-essential goods to also resume business. Shops across Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat were seen lifting their shutters, and we get you details in this report.
Some standalone shops in Delhi finally lifting shutters. After Home Ministry's directive late on Friday to reopen shops selling non-essentials. The respite is not applicable to shops in malls or market complexes that remain shut.
कोई मार्केट नहीं खुलेंगे, कोई शॉपिंग मॉल नहीं खुलेंगे। उन इक्की दुक्की दुकानें जो नेबरहुड में है, स्टैंड अलोन है, रेजिडेंशियल एरियाज में है, उन दुकानों को जो केंद्र सरकार ने इजाजत दी है, वो दुकानें दिल्ली में भी खोली जाएंगी।
The Delhi government's decision to comply with the centre's directive was slammed by resident welfare associations. They allege it may hit social distancing.
Just a day ago, what he said that relaxation can't be given. It's not possible. Ventilators are not there. ICUs are not there. If relaxation is given, persons will die as the pandemic will be there. And the next day he announces that no, nothing, no need to worry. We are going to open all the shops. What the hell you mean by that? क्या कहना चाहते हो आप इस चीज के साथ?
As per the order, shops that open will have to work at 50% strength and with proper social distancing. Akshay Tritiya, which sees a dash for gold and silver, remained damp. While some shops arranged for online buying, most shoppers were left out.
लॉकडाउन की वजह से सारी शॉप्स बंद है, तो हम खरीदारी कर ही नहीं सकते कुछ भी। कोई दुकान नहीं खुला, गोल्ड शॉप कोई नहीं खुली।
Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat are also following centre's directives. Standalone shops of neighbourhood were seen open. The final call on opening up shops remains with the states. Many of them could take a decision after the key meeting between the Prime Minister and Chief Ministers on Monday. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.